It is round two for Obamacare at the Supreme Court. At issue whether taxpayer-funded premium subsidies that underpin the entire law are legal.
Plaintiffs win here. You could have 7.5 million, potentially many more than 7.5 million Americans immediately lose subsidies to buy health insurance. So the implications are huge for really the signature achievement for President Obama in his first term.
Hillary Clinton getting a lot of laughs when she spoke at an event, but one question she didn't answer was about her use of exclusive private email accounts during her 4-year tenure at the State Department. And now it turns out that Hillary Clinton may have had her own email server in her home.
This has to do with basic questions around legality, around privacy, around procedure, and around public accountability.
One of the biggest operations against ISIS, Iraqi forces now sealing off a key city, trapping ISIS fighters inside. The target is Tikrit, a key city between the capital Baghdad and Iraq's second largest city, Mosul, which is also under ISIS control. If the mission is successful, it would be the first major pushback against ISIS forces who have been advancing since June.
David Petraeus, the former CIA director, stunned the country when he admitted to having an affair, and now he has agreed to plead guilty to mishandling top secret material, sharing them with his mistress.
But despite the seriousness of the charge against him, prosecutors are not recommending any prison time, only probation and a $40,000 fine.
Ferguson at fault. The Justice Department made two big announcements today about the Ferguson Police Department. They will not file any charges against Darren Wilson, the former police officer who shot and killed Michael Brown. His death sparked weeks of protests around the country. And the Justice Department accused Ferguson police of routinely discriminating against African Americans.
Our investigation has been both fair and rigorous from the start.
It was him today. The defense team for alleged Boston Marathon bomber Dzokhar Tsarnaev telling the jury in opening arguments that there is no way to dispute their client helped trigger those deadly explosions in 2013. Dzokhar Tsarnaev now on trial inside a federal courthouse in Boston.
Tsarnaev, who sat rather impassively stroking at his beard and goatee while the horrific nature of his crimes was described.
Everyone is sick of winter, the snow, the sleet, and frigid cold, so police in a small town in New Hampshire came up with a cure for the winter blues. Free pizza and French fries. They're handing out gift cards to reward good behavior in town. In this case, good behavior means driving carefully in the snow